So how do we get stretched resolution on our PlayStation 5? So to be able to get it, we need to firstly go to settings here on our PlayStation 5. So now on settings here, what we need to do is to go to screen and video. And in here, you need to click on, you can see there's a bunch of options, but click on video output right here, as you can see. And then on resolution right here, you're going to click on it and you will see a bunch of options quite often. You will also see what's not supported for you specifically. But if you select 720p here, this should now give you stretch resolution on your PlayStation 5 games. Sometimes what you also need to do is that on your monitor itself, you need to go to settings here on monitor. I believe it's this one here for me actually, if I'm not mistaken, yep. And then go down to the picture settings. Just gonna click on OK here. And if you're able to change the image ratio here, as you can see, you can also do it. I'm not able to do so here. I have to do it from PlayStation itself, but if you want to and you have that option, you need to select image ratio here and then basically try to change that as well if you want to. But 720p here should give you stretch resolution on your PlayStation 5, just so you know.